Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is Thursday the 10th, just gone 5:10 in the late afternoon, early evening. Today I'm going to be potting up these. These are 3 Phlox mixed, £2 for 3, which I think is really good value. These from Wilco. The instructions are on the back there. These have been left to one side. I did purchase these about 3 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago. You see there, nice growth there. So what we'll get them first and get them opened. Just, if you can just see there, okay. Hopefully you're all right there. Just get these open. And let's have a look what's inside. Like I said, I always recommend potting these up as soon as you get them. Like I said, I forgot I'd even got these, which is something you shouldn't really be doing with plants. Just get all the compost out. Keep the name tag just while they get rooted. And let's have a look through them, shall we? Just hold my phone up here. Sorry about this, folks. That's in the way. But you can see that a bit better now. And here we go. There we go. Let's have a look through these. Should be 3 of these, so hopefully. Give them a good shake. These are bare root plants. But yeah, these look really nice and healthy. In fact, these look really nice. They've been kept relatively dry, a little bit of moisture in there, but not wet through, which can cause them to rot. Or if you have them too dry, it can cause them to die that way as well. Yeah, look at that. That's lovely as well. And the final one, because sometimes with these, see that's a bit wetter that, so these are actually a little bit of damp there. But what I'll do now, I shall set the big camera up and we'll get these potted on. I've been using these pots to pot them on in, my bare roots. But because of how damp it's been in here, I have had some that have actually, I think I've got one here that have been struggling. As you can see here, that is struggling there. It's probably rotted that. So that is probably, that's a loop in that. So what I can do with that is not water that at all now, and hopefully it'll come back. Can't guarantee, but it might do because it's still got a good root system on there. So I shall bury that and leave that to dry. These echinaceas, these are bare root also from Wilco's. These have grown really well, as you can see there. Really nice healthy plants there. And then one more up the top here. See there, they're a lot drier those, you see. A lot drier, and they've responded a lot better to it. So I shall get the camera set up. We should get these potted on. So yeah, I've got that set up. I'm using some Grow More. This is Westland compost. I think it's a peat-free compost, this. And it's really nice and fluffy. So hopefully it's got a good texture to it. Hopefully that will be good enough to start these off in. I'm hoping. So yeah, what you need to do then is just get probably a third filled with compost with these, and then, as you can see here, that's got a really nice root system to it, that. So then get it in there like so. I like to get them centered, and the green shoots there, I shall leave those sticking out. I don't want to bury those. See there, that's one done. Like I said, these are really good value, bare roots. The thing about bare root plants, compared to put the time and effort in, you get, oh, there's so much cheaper than buying ones that are already potted up, because you're paying for the time of the nurseryman, the people to look after it, the people to water it, the potting on. You're paying for all that when you're buying plants that are already potted. Oh, so we're getting another one done. Like I said, I've not used peat-free for a long time. I only bought this because I was in Wilco and I saw it and I thought, well, I might as well get some while I'm here instead of having to pay for delivery. This is the smallest one out of the lot, this Phlox. I mean, some of them you can even, this one, if you wanted to, you could even split that. It's got quite a big root system on it there. You could go down there, you see, go down there and split that. In fact, I'll just show you. So I've got this shop secateurs here, go down there. As you can see, I've got 2 plants there. That's got a really nice root system to it. 2 nice healthy shoots growing from it. And the main one is still here, look, not even damaged it. And that's got 2 other shoots on it. So we have now got 4 plants. So that is there. Let's get it centered. Right, have these sticking out. Don't want to bury these. I'm not going to water them a lot, I'm just going to give them a little bit of water from the top. Right, just got 2 more to do now. So like I said, that's an easy way to increase your plants. If you get decent bare root plants, you can always divide them like I did there. Put the smallest one in here first. You want to leave about 1/2 inch to 1 inch from the top with your compost, because you want to be able to give them a water and a feed without it coming over the edges. So yeah, that's nice. Give it a tap down, keep it relatively loose, and that's lovely, that spot on. Just 1 more to do. Yeah, if you've got any questions about anything on my website, on my YouTube channel, sorry, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you're on Facebook, Instagram, I'll get back to you as quickly as I can, normally within an hour at the most. If you've got any questions about anything you're doing, if I can answer it, I really will do. It's the last Phlox. Always get mixed up in Phlox and stocks. It's something I always get mixed up with. Part of my dyslexia. So I call stock Phlox and Phlox stocks all the time. It no matter how many times I've said the word and read it, it just drives me potty. Right, so that's the last one. Right, now we've done all those 4. All we need to do then is get out of the way. I'm not going to soak these in my pot because I want to keep these relatively dry. So these are only going to have a little sprinkle of water from the top. Not a lot, just enough just to damp the compost. Like I said, this is a nice airy compost, so it should be alright. I'll let you know how I get on with this compost. If it's good, I'll buy some more. But my experience with peat-free compost has been terrible. So, like you can see there, I've only used probably a few hundred mils, probably 400 or 500 mils of water, 1/2 litre. And now that those are on there, I shall take this up here, and I'll need to find somewhere to put these now. I think I might just get this off there. Got that off nicely. I think I might have a look at putting them on here. And you can take this out now, this one out. Because these have all germinated really well. I've got that on there, and then we shall, just to get these going. So all I want, I'll take these 2 pots out. One of these is some chives, and that's some freesias. So this will go there, and then these 2 on here. That way they get plenty of light, gives them a really good start. The heat mat under there as well, just there. Show you, nice heat mat there that runs a full length. So I've got my dahlia cutting in there that I put in. So yeah, that's how to start your bare root phlox, how to divide them to get more plants when you've bought them. And here they are. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. Say hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, monkey. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe and please look after yourself. Thank you. Bye.